In this video, we will show you how to edit PDF files in Google Drive. There is two methods to edit your PDF files in Google Drive, and both method is easy. First, you can download your PDF files, and after you download your PDF files, you can edit your PDF files manually on your computers using tools like Wondershare PDF Editor. And the number second, you can edit your PDF files directly using application on Google Drive. Just right click and choose open with, and in here I suggest you connect more application here. Okay, then you can type PDF editor because you want to edit your PDF, and select the good rating by the application. You can see the rating and how often they use, and this is I think the best. Okay, 4.5 ratings and 1000 use this application. Then after that you can click the application and click install. Just click continue. Okay, the application need grant from your account. You can just click OK in here. Okay, by default it will not open until you reload. If this application not listed here, you can reload the drive like this. Okay, then you can right click, choose open with, and choose your application. Sign in using your email again, and you need to allow this application to access your files. Okay, you can see there is many tools here. You can edit your PDF, compress, delete page, merge, split, extract, and you can see there. But in this tutorial, let's just edit using PDF editor. Okay, we need to sign in again and click allow again. Okay, this is your PDF file by your Google Drive. You can edit these files. Okay, and for example, we add some text, or you can edit the existing text. You can also change the font color here. You can see there. You can also add image, and this tool is great I think, because there are many tools for PDF we can use. After that, we can click apply change. Okay, then we can download these files. Okay, and save to Google Drive. Okay, you can also download your files, and if you open your file, it will with the latest edit you can see here. And let's see there is already on Google Drive or not. Okay, there is need a time to upload to Google Drive, but you can also do upload manually via your file that you download into your computers like this. Okay, already exists. Let's find our files. Okay, we will replace existing files, and let's reload our drive. And here, okay, you successfully also replace your files using this method. And that's all tutorial how to edit PDF files in your Google Drive. Hope this video helpful for you.